Today I'm going to show you a quick CHoCH and flip entry model which will take your trading to the next level, and it will also boost your risk to reward ratios. So what you'll see is we've had all this price action right here, and we've come down here and we've tapped into this order block right to the left hand side. So as you can see, what happens here is we've come down and we've taken a lot of liquidity below these lows right here. So this is really important when you are getting into a move, especially on the lower time frames. So you need to see some sort of liquidity taken, and then once you drop down onto the 1 minute, for example, what you'll see happening is we've come down. If I just zoom in, we come down, we have a minor pullback here. So what you need to do is you need to mark this out, and then what you'll need to see is you will need to see this high go for a change of character. So first of all, what I will show you is, if you don't know what a change of character and a CHoCH and flip model is, basically what's happening is we are coming down like this, and then we come up, we get a reaction to supply, and then we come up and then actually take out this high right here. So as you can see, what we've got is we've got the first low right there, we've got the change of character right here, and we've also got interaction to this supply zone right here. So what's happened is we've come down, we've come up, we've had a reaction, come down, and then we've taken out this high and created our CHoCH. So this reaction here is essentially our flip model. So this is what you're looking for within the market. So let's just see what happens in real time over here. So as you can see, what happens is we've taken the low, we've come down, we are starting to now come back up. So as you can see now, we are getting a reaction. What are we reacting to? We are reacting to this buy to sell range right here. So once this high goes right there, you can then look for your entry. So playing price on right now, as you can see, the reaction is really nice. It's a 3 candle reaction, and then we start again pushing right up. So what happens is we take out this high right here with a wick, which is absolutely fine when you are looking at change of character. So we take out this section here. So now what we've come down, we've come up, we've come down, we've come up, we've had our reaction. So this is our start of our flip model. Once this CHoCH line goes right here, this is when our flip is complete, and also our CHoCH is complete. So we come up, we take out the reaction, we take out the CHoCH line, and we've had our flip and our CHoCH. And what you want to do now is you want to enter the market. So where now do you enter the market? So as you can see at the extreme right down here, we have got an unmitigated extreme candle that we can get involved on. But we've also got this, reaction point. So we've got this reaction point right here. But what you will notice with the reaction point, there has been no sweep of liquidity. So what you need to look for is a sweep of liquidity at the reaction point if you are going to get involved on the reaction. So as you can see, there's no sweep that happens right here. So what you need to do now is take your risk to reward tool. You can enter at the open, the 25%, the 75%, or the EQ of the range. So I will enter here at the EQ. I will put my stop just below this low right here. So we are looking at a 3.2 pip stop loss. And then what you want to do is you want to target, this fair value gap maybe. So if we target this fair value gap, and let's just see how this trade now plays out. So we've come down, we are now tagged into this trade. So if we continue to play price forward, what you'll see is we do continue up. At this point here, you would be break even. So you'll be break even somewhere around here. So now you are risk free on this trade. And let's just see what happens. As you can see, price continues and runs for our full TP at 11.28R. So that's just a simple CHoCH and flip model, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.